Hello everyone, welcome back to Ragula Training. If you are planning to take the Duolingo English test and you are confused about how to register for the exam, then this video is for you. Every day we receive questions like how do I purchase the test? Where do I apply the coupon code? How does the coupon code work? Why does the amount become zero after applying the coupon? Now let's get started. Hi Neha, could you please share your screen?
Hi, sir. I'm sharing it.
Now I will guide you how to register for the exam. Currently, we are in My Test column. You can see Purchase a Test, right?
Yes, exactly, sir.
Yeah. Click on Purchase a Test. Select one test. Click on Continue. Select 2 days. Then click on Continue. Now, once again, recheck your email ID here. Select the country and select the state. So, Neha, now you selected the country and state, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Below details are optional, not required. Now you can see there is an option of coupon code, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, everyone, please look at this step carefully. From where can you get this coupon code is? You can get the coupon code from Ragula Training. For example, if I talk about today, currently the fee it is showing you is 6,700, but you can get the coupon code just at the cost of 4,900. The process of getting the coupon code is when you pay 4,900 to my team, they will give you one code and you apply that code over here. Once you apply the code here, the above fee becomes zero. Now this process, instead of telling you theoretically, I thought of showing you in live. Neha, I hope my team shared you the coupon code, right?
Yes, sir. Can I enter from P?
Yes, enter the whole coupon code here. Yeah, just copy and paste it here. 1 minute. Now, every one of you, please pay attention carefully. Here, she entered the coupon code. Once we click on submit, you will see the fee becomes zero. Once click on submit. Yeah, one minute. See, this is the important step. You observe it carefully. You are applying a 100% off coupon. That means you are paying the exam fee through the coupon to the Duolingo. Once she clicks on continue, you will see that the exam fee becomes zero. Click on continue.
Okay, sir.
Yes, enter your name and surname here. Now click on use coupon. Yes, you can observe here carefully, the fee became zero. This is how registration will get completed. There are two advantages of using our coupon. First advantage is you will save around 17 to 1800 on the exam fee. And the second advantage is here it is showing you result will take 2 days, but you are going to get the result in just 24 hours. These are the two advantages of using our coupons. Generally, for our training students, we provide these coupon codes so that they are getting the result in just 24 hours. Now, let me also guide you with the next step, how to start the exam. Click the start test. Yes. Now, once you click on start test, you get an option to download the app to start the test. Click on download. Yes. Once you click on download, on top right, you can see it is getting downloaded. Once it is downloaded, you need to open that application. You need to re-log in into that application.
Okay.
So in that application, you are going to take the exam.
Okay, sir.
Related to exam and exam guidelines, my team will be sharing you all the details on WhatsApp. Just contact my team. They'll share you all the details. Yeah. Thank you, Neha. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, sir.